In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into Gmail from your Microsoft account in Windows 10. If you're looking to streamline your email and services between Gmail and Microsoft, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through the straightforward process of integrating your Gmail account with Microsoft, allowing you to manage everything seamlessly on Windows 10. First, let's get started by opening up your web browser. You can use any browser that you're comfortable with, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. The choice is yours. Navigate to the Microsoft website. This is the hub from which we will initiate the process of linking your Gmail account with Microsoft. Once you're on the Microsoft homepage, look for the Sign In option. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. If you don't already have a Microsoft account, don't worry. Below the sign in fields, you will see an option that says No account, create one. Click on this link as we're going to create a new Microsoft account using your Gmail address. You will now be prompted to enter your Gmail address. Type in your Gmail information carefully, ensuring there are no typos, as this address will become the key component of your new Microsoft account. After entering your Gmail address, click next to continue to the account creation process. Microsoft will guide you through creating your new account. You'll need to establish a password that is secure yet memorable. Consider using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to increase the security of your new account. Additionally, be prepared to provide other required information such as your name or date of birth as part of Microsoft's guidelines for account creation. Once your basic information is entered, you may be prompted to verify your Gmail account. This is an important security step. Head over to your Gmail inbox, where you should receive an email from Microsoft with instructions or a link to complete the verification process. Follow those instructions to verify and activate your Microsoft account. With your new account verified, you can now manage your Microsoft account directly through Windows 10. This includes adding aliases such as your Gmail address. Adding aliases allows you to send and receive emails from multiple addresses within the same Microsoft interface, making it more convenient for managing personal and professional emails in one place. You're all set. You've successfully integrated your Gmail account with your Microsoft account on Windows 10. This integration makes it easier to access everything from email to Microsoft Office features, streamlining your workflow and keeping everything neatly organized. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped you through the process. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.